going. Just took a break there, and I'm on this camera now, so that'll be that. But hang on, I'm just going to change something on the lighting here. I want to see what color does that give us now. That one, that one. Ooh, maybe I'm better off with this one. This is like a, I don't know, another kind of light, like it's like daylight, sharp light, like, I don't know. Here, look. Look at that. Anyway, it's a trailer. It's just not going to get, well, I can put more lights. I do have more lights, but anyways, I'm getting up to make a coffee. While that's happening, gonna get ready and prep the next soft side pots, so I can get the last of the plants out of the tent. Oh, there he is. There she is, actually. Hi, Sonny. How's it going, girly girl? Hey? That's why Wally's all in a huff. Are you in a huff, Wally? You didn't like the fact that you don't... I think he's jealous, actually. Although he kicks up a storm, you know what I mean? Like, here, I gotta put you guys down here. Put you over here, because I think it sounds better, meaning like you don't get that buzz. Like, you're still gonna get the air conditioner noise, because I still haven't... What is going on here? Why does that feel like it's always tilted over? Oh, maybe because it is. I keep forgetting about the gimbal. There. No, too much now. There we go. Superstar. Yeah, right. Okay, well, one thing for sure is I gotta clean up these dishes. Not like the raccoons, they're exactly the most clean. Well, they are actually very clean creatures. Just the bowls get dirty from sitting outside. Okay, I was going to do that while I was making my coffee. I think it's time for a kick in the face coffee. Muskoka Roastery Coffee Company. That's like Muskoka, Canada, Ontario. Very beautiful area. Black Bear Dark. Yeah, man. One of my favorites. And these ones are biodegradable, like the plastic ones. They're not biodegradable, I don't think. Anyway, I don't remember reading anything that said that, but these are, because there's no plastic in them. It's just like, this is not even a plastic, it's some kind of paper, and then you got this on the other side, but it works in a regular Keurig, so you don't worry. You just put it in like normal. You know, put it in like normal. That's it. But those are all biodegradable, those ones. So, I mean, I'm really liking that. Oh yeah, Miss Happy, she's all flattened out on her belly. Where is that? Oh, sweetheart. Oh, she's coming up the stairs. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. The cats are bent out of shape now. It's okay, Sonny. It's all right. Hey, beautiful. Where are the babies? Hey? Where are the babies? Hey, beautiful. It's okay. Don't bite Daddy. No, you don't bite Daddy. No. You're my friend, right? Okay, let's go. Are you gonna let me come out? Hey? You gonna let me? Oh, got a scratchy ear. Okay, babies. Come on. There's my babies. Good girl. It's okay. Yeah, she's still very, very jumpy, but heck, we've only spent, really, if you look at it, we've only spent a few hours together. So anyway, there's the other one that needs to be put in. And yeah, you all right there, little lady? See, there's another ball there too. Maybe I should have a look at this, because this one's square. I probably was using this one. My little geniuses probably carried it off somewhere. This actually looks like one of my Rubbermaids, but it's in bad shape. That's all right though. Are you jealous, Wally? He's like, yeah, man, I'm jealous. Why are you playing with that creature? You know what, Wally? If I brought in one of her babies here, the one that's really friendly with me, I bet you cats wouldn't be 10 minutes before you're playing with them. Because I know you cats better than that. Okay. Get this coffee made. I think my chair's wet, so I won't sit outside with her. But at least she's got her peanuts. Gotta go. Hey, Sonny. Good girl. Good girl. She knows her name. At least today she does. I don't know where the babies are, though. None with her today. Probably asleep or something. Not exactly the best weather either. Alright, Sonny, let's see what I can do here. Just cleaned up for you. My coffee sits. Let's see how we ended up here. Oh, did I mix this? Yeah. There we go. Now I mixed it. Muskoka roast. Tastes good. Water's nice and cold. Look at that. Hey, Wally. Guess who that's for? Hey? He's like, fuck you. He says, I know who it's for. I don't like the idea of you hanging out with that raccoon. Well, you're going to live with it, Wally. What about Rocky? You didn't get all bent out of shape about Rocky. Well, actually, he did. Sonny, Daddy's coming out. Hang on a minute. I got to get this all changed again. There we go. Hey. Okay, Sonny. Some water, babies, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. There you go. Good girl. That's my good girl. Some nice fresh cold water for you, hey? Daddy take care of his girl. She gets over her, jumpiness with me pretty quick each time, but it's faster and faster that she's getting better at it. So anyway, I think I use this square one because it's more sturdy. I haven't gone to get the ones I want to get, the metal ones. And that's when I'm going to go get her apples, because I'm just going to go across the street to Home Hardware. They should have some good size bowls. I was watching a guy, what is it, Theo the Raccoon? Oh, sorry guys, forgot to put you up high so I can look over at you. Theo the Raccoon Whisperer, I think, it might be the raccoon's name is Theo. Anyway, this is from 4 or 5 years ago, so Theo's probably not even still with us. The raccoon. Like I've said before, they do have a limited. They have a limited. They're not like cats that'll live 15, 20 years. So, although interestingly enough, squirrels will. Hey, babies, what do you think? Speaking of babies, where are they? No sign of our babies. Did you kick them all to the curb? I hope not. Or worse, something ate them. But last time I thought that something ate them. That's not what was happening. They just weren't showing up here. I don't know. Anyways, what's hilarious about that whole thing is that I thought they were like, oh, poor things are all, like 4 of them are dead. Well, no, that's not the case. So, anyway. Okay. This coffee. And, I have to pick a plant. Guess I'm not going to try and do both at the same time. That's a goddamn good cup of coffee too, eh? I'll go sit over by the big screen. Going to continue the cowboy bean production tonight. Later on, we'll film that. But I want to try. It's only 25 after 8 p.m. Eastern time. Like, you know, I'm in the Eastern time zone, whatever. Oh, hang on a minute. Come on. Gosh. I guess it's because it's new or something. I don't know. But it definitely does not like to twist. Okay, there we go. All right. Well, the lighting's not even half bad, eh? I'm trying to figure out, I haven't figured out all the stuff on the phone yet to say that I can turn off so I can film it with all these things happening. There should be a way that when you're filming, you can turn off like everything. No phone calls, no anything. Maybe instead of that phone, I'll charge this puppy up and see if I can turn, because there's nothing on this, no apps, no anything. Well, I mean, just whatever comes with Android. Good idea, isn't it? Let's charge her up and see what I can or cannot do with this one. All I do know is I've got those little mini cards and I can put some major memory on this now. It's been dead for a while. I hope the battery comes back. Wow, nothing's happening. That plugged in? Nope, I got the wrong cable. That's why. Here's the right one. Yeah, that's the right. Oh, there we go. Let's hope she comes back. The only downside to this is that the batteries, you know, after a time, I don't think I can replace the battery in that one. Anyway, we'll see. If I can film with this one instead of this one, like if I'm happy and I'm able to turn all that stuff off, I'll use this one, and it's got the Otter case on it, so I'm happy with that setup because I really like the Otter box. But this one has got this box I bought. It's just, it's crap. I think, like I said, I need a new Otter box for the S23. I don't know how much those cost, to be honest. I was just looking for my vape and then I remembered it fell down. I don't think I can reach it. No, need some help here. Okay, there's tools. There we go. No damage. Nope, just a little bit of cat hair everywhere, but that's easily looked after. Fuck, this thing leaks, eh? Hey, stop fighting, cats. Maybe I've been putting too much in. You know what? I think maybe I'm putting too much of the stuff that I'm smoking in it, because it never did that before until I started putting, like, it's all jammed up with, that's an air thing there. It's not supposed to do that. So what we'll do is we'll take this piece off. I'll unscrew, oops, I'm not going to unscrew the power part. I need to get rid of, oh, okay. So hold on a minute here, because this is the honey stick and it's different. What I don't understand is why is this leaking now? Out. It must be coming up like when I'm, you know, it must be boiling up and over or something is the only thing I can figure. Okay. Oh shit. Now it's going to get covered in cat hair, no doubt. I don't know if hamburger's any good for you, Miss. Actually, let's just look it up. Maybe I'll give her a bit of hamburger before I freeze it. I don't necessarily eat it all the time. Meaning, okay, raccoons, hamburger. I suppose hamburger. No, I don't want to make raccoon. Oh, is raccoon good meat to eat? No, no, I don't want to prepare. What the fuck? No. Wrong question. Feed raccoons hamburger. Not a hamburgers like hamburgers, and not hamburger helper, man. What not to feed raccoons? There we go. Chocolate, cocoa, coffee, same as dogs and cats. Avocado and guacamole, well, never. Garlic, onion, garlic, spices, and processed sugars. And that's exactly the same as cats. Let's just go look a little more, just to make sure what this food is out of it. Diddle-ding, diddle-ding. Well, they'll know enough not to eat. Okay, chocolate, cocoa, and coffee, obviously. Something in it that they can't have. Processed sugars, raccoon control. Okay, so basically everything outside of that. Now, that doesn't mean she's going to like it. That's another. Oh, do raccoons eat beef? There we go, there's a question. Of course they do. After all, they are omnivorous. Raccoons hunt and eat animals primarily. Well, I just wanted to make sure. Can raccoons eat bad meat? That doesn't. So they will feast on pretty much anything in your trash can as long as it isn't spoiled. Despite being scavenging, raccoons tend to avoid rotten food unless absolutely necessary. Yeah, well, I wouldn't do that to my babies. Are you still out there, little lady? Yeah, she is. Okay, well, she's still out there when I finish my coffee. Then we'll bring her a little bit of hamburger just to give her some protein outside of the peanuts. At least till I go get the stuff I really want her to be eating, like apples and stuff. Maybe if cherries are on sale too, because she liked the cherries she got last time. I didn't even get a chance to film her eating them. They were gone, man. Well, I think it just needs a cleaning again, that's all. And I won't be putting as much as I did before. I was putting like big pieces in there, and I think what's happening is that when it starts to boil, you know, it's bubbling over and turning in, and that's what's making it dirty. So I'll go back to the tiny ones because that wasn't happening. One of my followers, Diana Godfrey, I don't know if you see this, let me know what's going on with you because I haven't seen any messages from you recently. And I had some questions I wanted to ask you about your mountain. So we should just probably tweet to each other or something